Namaskar, I am PK Singh, GST author, speaker, practitioner, founder of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India and PK Simply GST. Friends, first of all, I must say thank you to all of you to subscribe GST Professional e-journal. Approximately 15,000 people subscribe till date, and next edition we are going to release on Monday. This edition also have all the updates and some good articles where our readers, subscribers will improve, upgrade their knowledge. Friends, the Institutes of GST Professionals of India, we planned and we were working for so many months. In fact, we decided to launch the GST professional courses at various cities of India. But unfortunately, due to coronavirus, our plan were derailed. But we were not hopeless. Our management decided to start the online courses. Before that, like all of you, I was also a little bit disappointed. But I decided to use my time to complete my latest edition of GST books. So the 4 books, it is going to be released after the end of this lockdown. Then we worked on these online courses, and now the prospectus started sending to the people who demanded. Because yesterday I post regarding that course on social media, and I was surprised to receive the overwhelming supports. A lot of people, they share their WhatsApp number and email IDs. My team, they are working, and we are sending the prospectus and all other details regarding this GST professional course. Friends, the Institutes of GST Professionals of India, we believe in the practical knowledge. We believe that those will join this course has to have a perfect knowledge of GST. That is the reason we designed this course in 4 levels. First one is the GST Professionals Accountant. This is for accountant, those want to build their career as accountants. They can opt this course. It is a 15 days program, and almost 45 to 50 hours we will devote to educate the people. All our programs will go in the way that the participants, the candidates will improve their practical knowledge. Definitely we'll cover the theoretical part, we'll cover the procedural parts, but we will focus more on practical parts, more on case studies, more on case laws. Then the second label we decided about GST professional executives. This is the 30 days program, and almost 90-95 hours will devote to train the candidates who will join this course. Then another one is that GST professional practitioners. This course and contents designed for those candidates who want to build their careers as a GST practitioners. So all the practical aspects regarding to the practitioners covered in the course. And last one is the GST professional Pandit. Means finally we designed this course that once the person, they will go through this course, he or she will feel perfection, expertise. They will feel that yes, we can do anything related to the GST. This program is for 80 days, and almost 200 hours will devoted by the faculties and the candidates who join this course. Apart from that, we decided that After the end of the course, definitely examination there is there, pass percentage also there, a lot of things will be there. I will request that you those are interested can share their WhatsApp number or email ID. Will share the prospectus. It has everything, all the terms and condition or guidelines, all fee related issues, mode of payment, everything will be there. How will go for the registration and all that. In short, I can say that we decided that those will be part of the GST professionals will not leave them. In future, whatever the problems they are facing, they will communicate to us. The team of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India will resolve their problems. So we are going to appoint a team of experts. They will be 24/7 reply the queries raised by our candidates who completed the course. Then we are also working that definitely through the various social media platforms, our candidates can update their knowledge, and we will provide all these social media links to our candidates. Now, the question is that some people ask that is it free course? No, it's not a free. How we can give the free? Because we have to expend a lot of amounts, and free is always free. The knowledge free means they have their different plan. I'm not criticizing anyone. I can say that yes, the course, if you really want to learn, definitely you have to pay for some amounts, and then you have to devote your time. We need those types of the people who really serious to build their career as a GST consultant, as a GST employee, as a GST expert. Those people are welcome. Those, they will feel that I have to join some of the course and I will get some certificate. Let me clear that this is not a certification program. This is a practical participation course. So here our target is that you have a master knowledge in GST. So friends, share your email IDs, WhatsApp, or call to our team. They will guide you. Be a part of this course if you want. Because it's an independent country, and I feel that this is an opportunity time because of the lockdown. So you can invest your time for to be a perfect or be an expert of GST. In this regard, one more things I would like to add, that I know that the people are frustrated. I feel that those are the professional, they should not be frustrated. They have to use their proper time for improvement of their knowledge on particular subject. Posting a various posts on social media using the abusive language against some of the politicians, you are showing that you are frustrated. It is not required. Keep in the mind, all politicians are friends. They may be from different parties, but they are friends. Just on the, to show how to make the fools to public, they were trying to communicate the world that they are different from others. No, all are equals. So I request that you should not waste your time on unnecessary post and all that. Whatever post, it will be improve your knowledge and knowledge of your friends. It is good. With these words, we are going to communicate more about this course. Call us, find us, join us, be a part of the Institutes of GST Professionals of India. Thank you.